Stating restrictions, really all we're looking for is what can sine and cosine not be. So for any of these, it's always the same things. Change everything to be in terms of sine and cos. So cotangent theta is cos theta over sine theta. And then whatever the denominator is, you just say it can't equal 0. And that's my restriction. Sine theta can't equal 0. Okay, so always get it in terms of sine and cos, and then any denominators can't equal 0. So for b, tan is sine over cos, and then it's over sine. So cosine's a denominator, so it can't equal 0. And then sine in the bottom is also a denominator, so it can't equal 0. Do no simplifying with these, okay? Just make sure you never simplify. If you simplified this one, the signs would actually cancel and it would just end up being 1 over cos. And then you think, oh, the restriction is just that cos can't equal 0. But when stating restrictions, it's always from before you simplify. So you got to make sure you never cancel anything out. You always state your restrictions before any simplifying occurs. For c, secant theta over 2 cos theta minus 1, change everything to sine and cos. So I get 1 over cos over 2 cos theta minus 1. And then there's two denominators. So the cos theta is a denominator, so it can't equal 0. And then 2 cos theta minus 1 is also a denominator, so it can't equal 0. All we have to do here, though, is you always have to make sure that your restriction is sine or cos can't equal. So we just got to solve this. So add 1 to both sides, and you get 2 cos theta equals 1. Divide both sides by 2, and we get the restriction. Cos theta cannot equal a half. So there's two restrictions on this one.